The second aspect of deciphering financial statement is liquidity analysis. Liquidity analysis. Now, what is liquidity? Liquidity is ability of a business to take care of its short-term obligations, and that is the liquidity. How do we find out liquidity? We find out liquidity by calculating a ratio which is known as current ratio. And how do we calculate the current ratio? We calculate the current ratio by taking current assets in the numerator and current liabilities in the denominator, and what we get as an outcome, that is our current ratio. So let's say, for example, my current assets are 100 and my current liabilities are 80. That means my current ratio is 1.25. That's my current ratio. So this is how I will calculate I will analyze the liquidity by calculating ratio number 1, and that is your current ratio. Now, besides the current ratio, I can also calculate another ratio, and that is known as QR. That is QR is quick ratio or acid test ratio. And how do I calculate the quick ratio? I will take the current assets minus the figure of inventory from the figure of current assets and divided it by the current liabilities. This will give me my quick ratio. So let's say, for example, my current assets are 100 and my inventories are 20 and my current liabilities are 80. That means my current assets minus my inventory, I get a figure of 80, and my current liabilities are also 80. That means my quick ratio is 1. And that is how I would analyze the liquidity of any business, by calculating the current ratio and by calculating the quick ratio. A question may come to your mind as to why do I deduct inventory from the total of the current assets. And the reason is, please remember, क्विक रेशियो का मतलब क्या है? क्विक रेशियो का मतलब ये है कि वो करंट एसेट्स विच कैन बी क्विकली कन्वर्टेड इनटू कैश. Inventory, as all of you will understand, is not as liquid as receivables or bank balance is. इन्वेंट्री को अगर आपको लिक्विडेट करना है तो आपको उसके लिए बायर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. और आपकी इन्वेंट्री को कौन परचेज करेगा? आपका रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर तो परचेज नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि वो आपसे अगर परचेज करेगा भी तो बहुत 30% 40% के डिस्काउंट पे लेगा, और फिर वो बोलेगा कि मैं आपको पैसा तब दूंगा जब मेरे पास में पैसा होगा. सो इन्वेंट्री इज नॉट एज लिक्विड एज receivables or bank balance, and that is the reason why you trying to find out better liquidity indicator, and that is quick ratio. So current assets में से आप investment inventory minus किए, and what you get is your quick ratio, and this is how you will calculate your liquidity analysis, and that is what you need to remember: current ratio and the quick ratio. So now we go to the next ratio, and the next ratio is solvency ratio.